This is what you call foolproof. So what I did, I set the limiters on the compressor in the drive rack so it can't go over a certain volume. So no matter how the owners, operators, most of the time it's operators, buck everything. It's like a limiter on your car engine. So you hold it at one place and don't let it go. So that's what we call foolproof. So less chance of your speakers burning, less chance of your equipment damaging. It's just better. You have to find that right balance right at the edge where it's just about to distort but loud enough to give that performance. So it's a hard task to do. Well, not so hard, but hard, you know. Over and out.